Do not question why my hands are being held up like I'm being forced at gunpoint. I promise there is not. I promised I'm not being forced into this. The only issue is that I forgot to record it before I started recording this video because I'm really great at like scheduling and shit. So we're just gonna hold up our hands because as I was fucking around with recording and shit, I found out that if I held up my hand, it fucks up the white balance and you can't see anything behind me. It also looks like I have no elbow over here, but I swear I do. Anyways, so I decided to redecorate my room. So, we're gonna jump right into that real quick. Alright, hello and welcome to Voiceover. This is my room before everything started. An absolute mess. Stuff was everywhere. It kind of didn't make sense. And I kind of hated it, alright? So, the first thing I did was just show off all ankles. You're just gonna see everything. It just looks bad, okay? It does. So I yeeted everything off and I dumped it all onto my bed. I shoved everything into the middle and then I started organizing everything out. It's a disaster. So I moved my bed to the other side of the room and shoved the bookcase behind the bed, and now I'm just organizing fucking everything that I have. Do not look inside the closet. I haven't done that bit. Okay, so I understand. It's a little bit of a mess. It's a little bit of a disaster, but it's a little bit more organized. All of my stuffed animals are on my bookshelf, and I have no books, because why the fuck would I own books? These are just more shots of me trying to organize shit and show off what I've done. I'm very proud of the fact that I got shit done and organized, okay? Some bits, they're a little bit messy, but those are for a different day. The fact that I have gotten a lot of shit. Oh, here, boba tea break. The fact that I got like so much done in like a handful of days is very impressive to me, because I'm really bad at doing that kind of stuff. But it's fine. So now I'm on to decorating, which is the fun bit. So I had this like piece of fucking fabric that I was like, hey, this I can probably use this for something. So I decided to pin it to my ceiling, but that did not go as expected. I thought about like doing like a little bit of like a curtain drapery bed thing, but I didn't like that. Like I keep trying to fuss with it. It didn't work. Also, I figured out how to color grade my videos because this is supposed to be a lot. This was recorded a lot darker, but I realized that you could fuck with the video stuff. Oh god, you can see the back of my hair. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Okay, here I'm like saying no. I should probably stop putting pins in my mouth. That's probably a bad idea. Okay, I guess I like that because now I'm moving over my Minecraft painting, which I'm being hanging on by like carefully putting it on through pins, which is, the best part. It has not fallen, I will say that. I have no idea how. So I guess that's good. And now I'm looking for my fucking other painting. I'm doing the exact same thing because it seems to be working by getting pins, sticking them into my mouth, and then pinning them onto my wall, which is a great time for everyone. Uh, what am I doing? Okay, I'm adjusting shit. Never mind. Dude. And now it's hanging flat. We love that. Good job, me. Why did no one look at the back of your head and say that it kind of looks like a disaster? You know what? It's fine. Okay, now I'm adjusting my light strip. I wanted it to actually wrap around my entire room, but it doesn't do that, so it only goes halfway, which is fine. I should probably hang the other one up soon. Or not. That's a lot of work. I don't want to do that. See? It stares, it's sticky, it works. And now... And here I am realizing that I can't actually hang it up. Um... Okay, and now see, I have this, like, caution tape shit. So I fucked with this, like, so many times, so what you're going to see is not what I actually did. Because what I did is I tried to like tape it to my ceiling and then like loop it across, and then I tried to like stretch it across the room, and that didn't work anyways. um but it was a good trial and error process. You can see me being very short and just standing on whatever the fuck I can find to give myself some kind of height. I think halfway through this process, I just like got my fucking platform boots on, and tried to do shit right there. I don't think I recorded that bit, but yeah, I just put on like my 7-inch platforms. That way I could, reach things because your boy is like fucking short as shit. Short king. We love that. Except for when you need to reach the high shelf. Then it's not really fun. Yeah, this did not work. It fell like so many times. It's so fucking bad. Um, so that's great. Great for us. I think we're about to transition into me talking about my costume haul, my clothing haul, costume, fuck, goddamn, clothing haul. So, I'll see you in a minute. So my first attempt was to print them out. It looks bad. There's lines. This got cut off halfway, so we're not going to do that. Okay, so we have to go pick up the pictures from Walmart. I also got my smoothie. Have ordered an ink, and I think we're also gonna go stop by TJ Maxx and Marshalls and see if we can get anything good from there, if they have anything. But that's what we're going to do. Alright, I will check in with you in a minute or two. I bought a whole lot more things than I thought I was, but in my defense, they're cute. I found this one, and all of these things were on clearance, alright? So that's why I bought so many pieces. Cool, look at it. It's a lot more feminine than what I wear, but it's long sleeves, it's got a little bit of a thing, and it has green, and it's a little bit putting into like a fairy grunge thing, which I've been seeing on TikTok, and they're really cool and they're really pretty. So you could have like a plaid, like yellow plaid, or a blue plaid, or split it right down the middle, and then it has like a little bit of the corset ribbing right here with the white lining. And I'm pretty sure because it's solid black with only like the white lining, I'm pretty sure I can wear this to work as well. It's a very faint. It's showing a whole lot more on camera than it is in person. The skulls are a lot fainter and more grayed out. Play around a little bit more with like the split dye stuff. Like, and I think this would be really cute to pair with the skirt, honestly, because it's split dyed here. Its only issue is that it's not split dyed in the. I got really excited about this because I've been looking, like watching this one for a while, and it finally went on clearance. So it is a set of shorts and then like a sweatshirt. And we are back. Hello, welcome. Did you like the clothes? Great. So now we're working on putting all of the pictures onto the wall, which was honestly like kind of stressful because I did not know how I wanted things to look, and I kept just fussing with it and also recording a TikTok at the same time, which is honestly, you know what? Probably the way you should do things. Like, it gave me content, but I really didn't know what the fuck I wanted because I laid it all out on the floor. And then I was like, no, I don't like this. Because, like, okay, so my idea was that I would, make different sections of my room places that I could take Instagram pictures. So, like, this was supposed to be a main one, so it's supposed to be, like, a little bit above my head and then reaching down, so it's not, like, just a stark line of, like, my hips. So I think I achieved that. I think it'd be very cool to take pictures here. Um, However, I did also, okay, so here's the thing, right, with the collages, is that because of all my pictures were all the same length, and I wanted them to be a little bit, scattered, I found that I had a lot of holes in the pattern that I wanted. So what I did, right, this because since all of this shit was like black, white, green, and white, I had this like black cardstock. So once I figured out where like the gaps between everything would be, I would cut up bits of cardstock. Right here, you can see me doing it right there. I'd cut up bits of cardstock, shove it into the holes, and kind of just tape it around, so that like it would stay put, fill in the holes, and it doesn't look like it's like intent and looks intentional because it just matches with the entire color scheme. So 10 of 10, 10 out of 10 recommend. God, can I speak? No, apparently I cannot speak. Who knows if I'm even gonna like finish like editing this voiceover part. I don't think I will. That's like a lot of work, and like I'm tired, and I haven't released like a YouTube in like a hot minute, because I was distracted by doing shit. But anyways, I do have plans for January, right? Like I'm trying to pre-record a lot of videos. That way in January I can like hit the ground running on this whole social media thing. I'm thinking of doing like styling videos and talking about different like style aesthetics because I really like that, and I really like to like style things. However, my closet really right now isn't really sustainable for like Oh, I moved on to a different project. Hold on, let me explain this one. So what you're seeing right now, no, it's not end up what it kind of. Hold on. So the idea is that I put like a whole bunch of like the crows and the bats on there, but they kept falling off. So you'll see once I like do the room reveals later that like this isn't what ended up happening. Right now I'm putting up the hats. Oh, and I also put up my Minecraft sword. I'm planning on getting the other Minecraft items. Why did I put on the cat ears? Oh god. Why did I do that? Okay, well, you know what? It's fine. It's fine. Whatever. Okay, and then here is the room reveal. It looks so pretty. It's also a little bit messy. Which, shut the fuck up. I'm being realistic, alright? You can see that I changed things. Like this now has all of like the leafy shit. I'm probably gonna get more of that. I used to have like my little skeleton guys hanging, but they fell. A lot of things fall, okay? It's fine. And then I put the do not cross over the door. So I'll have like three different places to take pictures and record TikToks. All of my hats keep falling, which is fine. Oh, and then we just have like a picture of Ryan Reynolds just taped to my wall. It's questionable at best, but we're not. It's like a little surprise. Um, but yeah, he looks at me sometimes, and it's very concerning. But I'm not gonna take him off because I think it's funny. But yeah, so that's kind of how my room is right now. Um, for the most part, despite the fact that I have like a lot of fucking issues cleaning up and shit, the room has been fairly good at keeping it clean. There's a lot more space. Yes, the next couple of projects are like organizing my couple of tables, cleaning out my closet of like boxes and shit. But those are stuff that I'm going to do off camera because it's literally just like throwing things into the garbage. But I have realized that I have a lot of projects that I need to finish working on. So we're probably going to do like a video of just lots of tiny little mini projects, like adapting things, adjusting things so they can fit in my wardrobe, so they can get off of my floor and my shelf and my piles and into my closet so I can wear them. Thank you for dropping by. It was very nice of you to come by. I hope you stick around. There's more fashion stuff coming soon. I'm going to get a schedule, I promise. I'm going to get a schedule. I'm just working through things for the last couple days of December. And then in January we're just gonna fucking go places, bitch. Trust me. We're gonna pre-record shit. Everything's gonna be good. It's gonna be great. We're gonna have a great time. Anyways, I will see you guys later. Thank you all for coming, and bye.